We will talk a little bit about the areas of focus for Pravega, talk a little bit about fintech and the digital economy, and also talk at length about deep tech, given what AI is doing to whatever is around us.
AI models, having learned the laws of physics, now can simulate anything that you wanted to do in the lab today, literally in a matter of days, weeks at most. So everything that comes downstream now, there's a massive cost and time collapse to it, right? And that's the real unlock, and it applies to multiple sectors, right? And that's why I think I'm very sort of hopeful that this decade, the coming decade, is a great time to be sort of, building these things and, addressing this challenge that we all find ourselves in.
All of us know that venture is a power law business and you need to reserve capital to invest behind your winners. If you don't do that, you may have a winner in the portfolio, but if you are not able to follow on capital, then the fund returns will get suppressed.
But the number that is more important for me is we have added 500 million new participants into the formal economy. What we are witnessing in India today is a transition from a cash economy to a digital economy, from an informal economy into a formal economy. What excites us as venture capitalists is the fact that the VC investment to the IPO life cycle is now complete, because you've seen companies like Zomato, Nykaa, Policy Bazaar list. The exit machinery is now proven. A question mark which existed about India for a very long period of time is liquidity, and that seems to be something now global investors are kind of convinced that this is a market where the liquidity machine is now on.
Lucene is building the most critical solution for the most critical industry at the most critical time.
India is very, very significantly deeply underpenetrated when it comes to revolving credit and any form of unsecured credit per se.
I'll talk about Auto Money, which is your AI-powered personalized wealth guide. And our intent is to democratize fiduciary wealth advice for the Indian middle class.
We create platforms that allow banks to compete with the likes of Google Pay, Amazon Pay.